We're recording.
Hello, this is the Amtrak station in Columbia, South Carolina. This is where we live, and this is Cottage Nails Divine Street, and our house is like way over there, about a half mile. And this is where the Amtrak train comes in the middle of the night. This is the CSX track where the Amtrak train comes, and down that way is Casey and the Sumter line, and this way is where the CSX train goes to Hamlet. This is the Amtrak station. This is where the passengers wait for the Amtrak train, and they do not have a fun time waiting.